Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to build two easy paper airplanes. The first one is called the Nuckamera Lock, which is more of a dart plane. And the second one is called the Spy Plane, which is more of a glider. First, we're going to be building the Nuckamera Lock. Fold it in half lengthwise to make a center crease. Then unfold it for a center crease. Then take the two top corners and fold them down so they match up with the center line. Then fold the center line down like this. Then take this corner and put it 1 inch from here to here. Do the same with the other corner. Then take this part and fold it up. Flip it over and then fold it this way. Then take this and go like this. Do the same with the other side. And there you go, the Nuckamera Lock. Now I'm going to make the Spy Plane. Okay, so this one is a bit simpler. Go ahead and make the center fold again. Then take the bottom and make a fold like this about 1 inch. Do that 6 more times. You should have about 2 inches left here. Go ahead and flip it over and then fold it backwards. Then fold this about 1 inch from here to here. Then take both of them and go like this. Now take the edges and fold them up. And there you go, the Spy Plane. Now I'm going to go outside and test them.